There goes that Cessna again. It's a two-story street, so he's out behind it. So he must have went out and turned into the park, pretended like he was on the surveillance route, and crossed back over 24092, went behind the houses, and now he's out here. You can see little slight bounced pulses. They're not that crisp though. So I have a house in the foreground, and he's doing slight ascensions and descensions. Right now he's on an ascension, and now he's coming back towards me. So he's trying to sell this ascension right here. So he was out here and he did a little like this, and now he's on an ascension and coming towards me. It's almost hit a bird. Damn. So here he is. So he really had to clear the tree. So they're trying to sell the trees. Sold the other tree on the way down, and this one on his forced way up. Now he's acting like he's leveled out and has to descend. No one would do that. Now he's descending. And also, they just take whatever I say and use it sometimes. Like yesterday I said maybe they were trying to sell the park hill, so they're like, yes, that's right, we use all of the terrain. And so now they're trying to act like, oh, poor guy has to get out here now and descend into the park so that he's okay. So you can see there he goes. Now he's descending. Drop. 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 And then it's slightly gradual. That's the thing. If anyone wanted to descend anywhere, it would go like this, and it would be gradual. It wouldn't be like this.